Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to lock Telegram application. Alright guys, first of all, we have to open our Telegram application, and after we have our Telegram application opened, we can go to the Telegram setting, click on those three lines on the top left, and you have to select the settings, and here you have to choose the privacy and security. And here you can activate the passcode lock to lock your Telegram application. You just need to click on this option, and you have to click on enable passcode. Okay, then you can create a passcode and re-enter your passcode. All right, and now the passcode lock has been set for my Telegram application, and I'm just going to go back. And before you exit your Telegram application, you have to click on this lock icon to lock your Telegram application. Okay, and after that, if we want to open our Telegram, we have to input the passcode. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can lock Telegram application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.